Today's discussion, why Lovett defends women and CY defends men in relationships and how they can come to one understanding.
Lovett, I feel you always defend women in relationship matters. It seems like men are always blamed for every problem.
I hear you, CY. CY, I defend women because many women feel unheard and misunderstood. They carry emotional burdens silently, and they're called too emotional, yet their feelings are real.
Men are also misunderstood. Society tells men to be strong and not show emotion. So when men keep quiet, it is not pride. Sometimes it is pain they don't know how to express.
I agree men hide pain, but women express emotions openly because they seek connection. When men withdraw, women feel rejected and unloved.
Often, men are expected to fix every issue immediately, but sometimes men need time to think and process before responding.
True, but silence without explanation creates insecurity. Women interpret silence as neglect, not reflection.
Many men show love through actions, providing, protecting, and solving problems, even when they don't say much.
And many women show love through words, care, and emotional presence. So when actions come without words, women feel unsure if they are truly loved.
So you are saying women are not attacking men, but reacting to emotional distance.
Exactly, it's a reaction to that distance. Exactly, and you are saying men are not uncaring, but struggling to express emotions in the way women expect?
Yes, that's precisely it.
Then the issue is not men versus women. The issue is misunderstanding love expressions.
I agree. Men must learn to communicate feelings, not only show actions.
And women must learn to appreciate silent sacrifices men make without always demanding verbal reassurance.
When men listen more, women feel secure.
When women appreciate more, men feel respected.
Respect and understanding must meet together.
Yes, love is not competition, it is cooperation. Men and women are not enemies in relationships. They are partners learning.
When understanding replaces blame, relationships grow stronger.
Wonderful discussion.
Indeed. Thank you.
Let's go.